Yo, what's up guys? It's Ohio Bass Fishing back with another video. Today we're going to be bass fishing, pre-spawn bass fishing, using some swim baits. We're going to see if we can't catch anything. Let's do this. Alright, so camera angle might look a little weird, but my chest cam broke, so we're going to have to make do with what we got. Bear with me, but we got a little swim bait. Let's see if we can't catch anything. Swim bait flew off. Got a nice bird's nest. That's fun. Oh. Oh. How does that even work? It's a clean cut. That was a good knot too. I don't know how that broke, but guess that's gonna end today's video short. It was a short day, didn't catch anything, but you know, some days are like that. But oh, alright, well, I linked my boy Drew down in the description like last video. Get him to 50 subscribers. Go show him some love on his channel. Like, comment, and sub on his vids. Do the same with me. Like, comment, and sub. And as always, keep fishing. Always catch them LMB'S. See ya!